Hey, what's up guys? V here. So, you can probably tell from the title what I am unboxing, but I just want you to see how much it took to get this out of the wrap. It's ridiculously funny. Give me a moment. I'm going to speed up the video. If you haven't had a chance, please like, comment, subscribe. This is V, and this is the journey of an unboxing of the we're getting there. Hold on. We're almost there. Here we go. It is the boom. The Galaxy Watch Classic. Look at all that. Oh my goodness. This is crazy amount of wrap. I've never unboxed anything with that much wrapping. Anyway, so to the watch. It is the Galaxy Watch Classic. I got the 46 millimeter version because I like the bigger faces. I love it. And I love the black, of course. And later on, I'm going to be changing the band. I'll do a video on that also. I remember my Frontier video. I had a couple of different watch band switch outs and everything. So yeah, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I got rid of my Frontier a while ago. It was the 3 Frontier. Anyhow, let's get this opened up here. And this will just be initial unboxing and first impression. And later on, I'm going to go ahead and do the full review on it and what I think about it. And so basically, I mean, you got your quick start guide there. You have the box that the quick start guide came in. Looks like just a spacer box for packing, I guess. That's what I'm guessing. And we have the cable. And it should be the magnetic. Yep. So we got the little disc magnetic cable here for charging. And then we have the watch. Man, it's a good looking watch. Again, I got the 46 millimeter. It's a little different from the Frontier. Has the buttons on the side there for power, and then you have your functions button. Of course, the gear on top, the spinning bezel, which I love. It's just amazing looking watch. This is the best. I think the Galaxy. I mean, you guys can tell me what you think, but I think the Galaxy watches are the best looking watches, hands down. I mean, the screen is just, I mean, the clickiness of the gear on top, it's just so satisfying when you feel that. I could have went with the other version, but it doesn't have the bezel. It has the touch on top where you can just kind of touch around the face and it kind of moves like the gear, but it isn't you don't get the satisfaction that you do with spinning the actual physical gear on top. So I was just doing an initial setup here, and let's just take a look at what we have on here. I just want you guys to, I don't know, let me know down below what you think of this compared to the Apple Watch. I'm seeing the Apple Watch, some of my friends have it. I don't know, I just can't get with the square, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like a watch. And the weight of this, it just feels like a watch. I mean, like a tank. Anyhow, so then got the back button on the bottom, and then the power button, of course, marked in red on here. And then screen feels really responsive. Again, this isn't going to be real technical. I mean, we have visibility enhancements, hearing enhancements, advanced settings. I'm going to get into all of that on the next video. So I want to do a real deep dive on this watch because I am really excited about it. So with that being said, I believe I'm going to wrap it up right now. Again, this wasn't supposed to be really in-depth, just more of what's in the box, of course, an unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that, and I will see you in the future on this. If you haven't, please like, comment, subscribe. This is V. I'm out.